MatthewCoolit. Today, I will show you how to make a pandesal. I will tell you the ingredients that we need. You can see the yeast mix bubbled up, and then we will put the yeast mix to the flour. Slowly. The flour is hard for you to mix, so we will use our hands. But don't forget to wash your hands. Okay, I will going to mix it now. This one is the done mixture, and then we will now wrap it so it can grow. We will put this one somewhere like a warm place. We'll wait it for 1 hour. Wait it for 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay. See you later. Bye. Hi, I'm back. As you know, the dough got bigger. And we will cut it in half. And we will roll it. And then roll it. Make sure to do it properly. And then we will cut it to a size of a pandesal. This is our finished rolled out pandesal.
It's so yummy.
So super yummy. Bye, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.